Okay, so next we're going to change how we're making background colors. So previously we were just using a single number. Now we're going to use a combination of three numbers. So instead of having just 0, we're going to try 0, comma 70, comma 0, and then hit play. You should get a dark green color. So computers use a combination of red, green, and blue values. So in the call to background, the parameters are in the order red, green, and then blue. You'll see this double slash at the beginning of the line. That's actually a comment. Usually we leave comments to tell someone a little bit more about the code. So for example, I might put my name at the top of the code to tell people who wrote the code. In this case, I'm also using it to show what's going into the background function. So the first number here, the 0, is the amount of red going into the color. The second number is the amount of green, and the third number is the amount of blue. You might notice that that's different than our usual primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. So instead of green, we're using yellow in the primary colors. Computers actually use red, green, and blue because those colors, when combined, get brighter. And because computer monitors and television screens emit light, it makes more sense to use colors that combine and get brighter than it does to use colors like the primary colors that when you combine them, they get darker. So for example, if we combine red and yellow, we get orange, which is a bit darker than yellow, and yellow and blue, we get green, which is darker than yellow. Whereas when we combine red, green, and blue, we always get lighter colors. So that's why computers use these to represent colors instead.